Hi guys and welcome back. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the Huepar 603CG-BT 3x360 laser level. Now that's a mouthful to get out. Okay, so let's just get one thing out of the way straight away. Now Huepar have actually sent me this level to do a review on, but they don't know what I'm going to say in it. They haven't seen it before, and they haven't influenced what I say either way, as you're going to find out later on in the video that it is fair what I'm about to say about it. Now first of all, I think we should have a look what comes in this rather neat little package. Now it is quite a decent size. If you've seen my other review on the 603CG, you can see there's quite a size difference in it, which is quite good. Now obviously one's a bigger level than the other, one's a 4x360 and one's 3x60, but that's quite a lump to carry around on you. I think it's warranted with what comes in the bag, so I'm not moaning about the size of that one, but I do like the size of this. It's a nice decent little package that it comes in, which is actually a really good quality case. Something that I forgot to mention in the 603DG video, well I didn't actually realise at the time, but is how good the case actually is. I didn't really appreciate it at first until I knocked it off of my puffy the other day when I was having a little muck about with it and just watched how much it bounced. It's actually a really good little case, and I think it's going to protect the level a fair chunk, to be honest. So I like that. But anyway, I digress. Let's get inside this, have a little look and see what it comes with and take it from there. So we have a battery holder for if you want to use the supplied batteries that come with it rather than relying on the rechargeable one. Then we have a mains adapter so you can recharge the rechargeable battery that comes with it. Then we've got a mount which is a magnetic base, which I'm going to talk a bit more about in later on in the video. Then we've got a laser receiver, laser pickup plate, I don't know what you'd call that, but I never actually bother using them, but I suppose they are quite handy to have. You've got the two manuals that it comes with the QR code to download the app that comes with it, and then you've got the laser itself, and inside there it comes packaged with the battery that comes with it, with the rechargeable battery. Okay, so as you would have just heard me mention there in showing you what's inside the box, when I was showing you the manuals, you've got the little QR code. That's actually because this is the Bluetooth model, which allows you to control the level completely through the app, which is brilliant. I think it's really handy thing to have. Like you would have seen on the 603DG that it comes with a little remote control. I think that's really good. But the thing with that, I think you run the risk of losing that little remote control. With the app on your phone, you're not going to run into the risk of that. So I'll open up the app now and just show you what it basically looks like. But basically, what you do really easily, you just download the app, tell it what level you've got. Every time you turn it on, make sure the level's turned on and your phone's turned on, Bluetooth's turned on your phone, and then they'll just talk to each other. So once you've told it what level you've got, then you can cycle through, and you can cycle through all the different lasers that you've got on there, which is really handy to do as well, especially once you're set up, because you don't want to be jogging the level. And I find what you do is even just the slightest little taps on these buttons on the top will jog the level, so having it completely remotely done is brilliant. You can change your brightness down as well within the app, which is something that you don't often see on a lot of levels. Now I know some of the higher end, like Milwaukee's, the Waltz and such, do that, but on the lower end levels you don't see that, so it's brilliant to have it in this little device. So yeah, you can turn that down. Say you're in a darker room, you want to conserve some battery, you can just turn that down. You ain't got to worry about your battery draining out too quickly. And also the other thing that it's really good at that you can do is you can actually turn it off as well. You can turn the level off completely, which I'm finding really handy. What I find is I'm working away and then I've realised that the laser's just been sitting on for like 2 hours in the background where I'm not even using it. You know, I've set it up, I've done the thing that I wanted it for, and then I forgot to turn it off. So just having that in your pocket as well, so you can just turn that laser off and move on to the next thing's great addition. Really happy with that. Now I just wanted to take a second to talk to you about the magnetic base on this. And I've actually found it with the 904 as well. It seems to be with the Huepar lasers. the magnets on the back really ain't that strong. Now I actually did connect this in this orientation and tried to put it on a corner metal bead, and it wouldn't hold the weight of it. Now I have spoke to Huepar about this, and I've mentioned to them about it, and they said they're very, very happy for my feedback on it, and they're going to pass that on to the product department, who deal with all the improvements needed on that. So I thought that was a really good response. You know, they really took that on the chin, that it's not great. And I've had a few of you guys also mention that you've got the same levels, like you've got this one as well, and the magnets aren't very strong on it. So I was really happy with their response to that as well. I use that quite a lot, you know, I find that quite an important thing, to be able to put it on corner beads and stuff like that. So if it can't do it, you know, that is a flaw in my opinion. But yeah, like I said, they took it on the chin. They were really happy with the feedback that I gave them, and it sounds like they're going to do something about it. So that's a positive. Other than that, there's not a great deal to tell you about it really. It's very robust, got a decent bit of weight to it. Like I said, the case is really good. It can take a tumble, so that's good. Yeah, overall I'm just really happy with the quality of these machines for the prices of them. Now I'm not going to give you prices in this video because they fluctuate so much, but what I will say is, for the best prices I've found is actually going to Huepar's own website and buying that. They've got a UK distribution outlet, so you're not having to wait like weeks and weeks and weeks to get these. They turn up pretty sharpish. I'll leave a link in the description below, which is an affiliate link to me. I will earn a small bit off of it if you buy it through my link, but that's at no extra cost to you. Yeah, I just think it's really, really good. They're really quality, good lasers for the price. You can't go wrong with them. I've since owning this one, I've not even used the DeWalt. I've just been using that all the time, so really happy with it. If you want to know anything else about them, please feel free to put a comment down below. If you want me to talk to Huepar, I'm getting quite a good relationship built up with them now, so I'm happy to go to them with any questions you guys have, any feedback that you have, and give that to them. And like I said, the communication from them's been really good, so I'm really happy with that. But that's it really, that's all I want to say. If you want to see any more of this sort of stuff, hit that subscribe button, ding that bell, you'll be up to date with all of my videos. If you've got any more questions on anything, feel free to leave me a comment below. I love getting the comments from you guys, and I love the backwards and forwards that we have with them. But without further ado, I'm going to leave it there. Well, thank you for watching along, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers!